Delhi coaching center tragedy. 3 students died after they were trapped for over 4 hours when water suddenly gushed into the basement of a popular coaching center in Delhi on Saturday. What we've learned so far is that the coaching center's library was functioning in the basement, and when the rainwater entered the basement, there were at least 20 to 25 students studying inside it. While some managed to get out, other students were locked in as the entry-exit system in the basement functioned through the biometric system. Now, the prelim information coming out is that as soon as the electricity went off, as the water entered the building, the biometric system couldn't function and the students were trapped inside. Also, there was no emergency exit in the basement through which the 3 students could have escaped. The students were trapped, locked inside with no means to get out, and now we are learning 2 people have been arrested. The owner of the building and the coordinator of the coaching center have been taken into custody. NDTV has also accessed the North MCD certificate given to the building owner, which said that only parking or toilet or a storage facility could be allowed in the basement area, while a fully functional library was operating in the basement. Now there is a blame game taking place between the Delhi government and the BJP over the deaths of the 3 students. The BJP says that the corruption in the MCD under the Aam Aadmi Party government must be inquired. There should be an inquiry as to why the drains were not cleaned despite complaints that led to the flooding in the basement. The BJP says it's murder committed by the Aam Aadmi Party government. Meanwhile, Delhi Minister Atishi has said that those responsible for this tragedy won't be spared. Delhi Mayor Shaili Oberoi has also directed the MCD Commissioner that strict action should be taken against such coaching centers across Delhi that are under the jurisdiction of MCD and running commercial activities in basements that are in violation of building bylaws and are not as per norms.
हमको शाम रात 12 बजे जानकारी मिली। हमारे चाचा का फ़ोन आया तो उन्होंने पूछा कि बात हुई थी या नहीं हुई थी, तो हमने बोला बात अभी नहीं हुई है। तो बोले पूछ के बताओ मम्मी से। मैंने पूछा, मम्मी बोली आज बात नहीं हुई है। तो उसके बाद उन्होंने उसके निवास स्थान पे गया। निवास स्थान के बाद कोचिंग के पास गए। कोचिंग के पास पता चला कि कुछ बच्चे जो है हॉस्पिटल में एडमिट है, इमरजेंसी वार्ड में रखा गया है। इमरजेंसी वार्ड में पता चला, हाँ, तो वहाँ पे नाम से पता चला कि यहाँ पे है। तो वहाँ से थोड़ा कंफर्मेशन मिला। उसके बाद से उन्होंने वहाँ जानने की कोशिश की कहाँ पे है।
क्या बच्ची कितना पढ़ी थी?
बच्ची ग्रेजुएशन की थी, BSc इन एग्रीकल्चर में। उसके बाद उसको UPSC की कोचिंग में एडमिशन दिलाया गया था। उसी दौरान उसको मदर इंडिया डेयरी में जॉब भी मिल रही थी, लेकिन हमने मना किया कि अभी जॉब मत करिए, आप UPSC कोचिंग करिए, अभी तुम्हारे पास पढ़ने का समय है, 2-3 साल UPSC के लिए दीजिए, उसके बाद जॉब तो पूरी लाइफ करना ही है।
मांग कुछ कर रहे हैं आप प्रशासन शासन से?
प्रशासन शासन से ऐसे चलता रहेगा, ऐसे आप रहेंगे तो कैसे काम चलेगा? अपना बच्चा बाहर कैसे भेजेगा पढ़ने के लिए? जैसे उसमें कोई लाइब्रेरियन नहीं था, उसमें इमरजेंसी डोर नहीं था, और ये कोचिंग की जिम्मेदारी होती है। अभी तक कोचिंग वालों का कोई हमारे पास कॉल नहीं आया, कोई इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं आया, तो ये कैसे चलता रहेगा? जबकि दिल्ली में है कि आप बेसमेंट में कंस्ट्रक्शन नहीं करवा सकते हैं। ये प्रशासन कैसे बेसमेंट बनवा के उसमें कोचिंग भी चला रहे हैं? 3-3, 4-4 साल हो जा रहे हैं, प्रशासन को अभी कोई खबर ही नहीं है।
दिल्ली कब से हैं?
क्या चीज़?
बच्ची दिल्ली कब से है?
बच्ची दिल्ली अप्रैल से गई हुई है। उसको अप्रैल से कोचिंग में ज्वाइन की है, गई तो मार्च में थी।
छात्रा के घर आए हैं उसके पूरा आवश्यक विवरण लेने के लिए और उनके परिवार को इस दुखद घड़ी में सांत्वना देने के लिए, और इनकी जो डिटेल है वो हम प्रशासन को भेजेंगे। जिलाधिकारी महोदय का निर्देश है कि हम लोग सर्वप्रथम पीड़िता के घर जाके उसको अपना सांत्वना, और उसी के क्रम में आज उपस्थित हैं।
The Delhi police has filed an FIR against unknown persons. No arrests have been made so far. 2 have been detained for questioning from the coaching center. But as you can see here, the student force really gathered in large numbers. Those numbers are increasing since early morning, and students demanding clear answers. We have seen security beefed up. We've seen paramilitary forces also join in. Students have been disheartened. Students that were speaking to NDTV late last night, early morning refused to do so as they were absolutely disheartened. They said that, look, a situation, a tragedy like this should not have been happening at the first place, should not have unfolded in the first place, and maintenance and security checks should have.
All right, we'll try and get more information, but the latest update that's coming in is that 2 people have been arrested. That is, the owner of the building has been taken into custody, as well as the coordinator of the Delhi Coaching Center has also been arrested. But what we are learning is that now that an FIR has been registered, criminal action will be taken against the owner and the coordinator. Is that enough? There are a number of lapses that have come to the fore. That includes lapses on the part of the MCD also. Of course, MCD hadn't given any permission for the functioning of a library in the basement, but there was no thorough checking also done after, all this while that the library was functioning. And it's not just one coaching center. There are a number of coaching centers in and around that area where these libraries are functioning in the basement, and a number of students go there. Who's going to take responsibility for that? That is the question that we're asking today. My colleague Tanushka is also now joining us on the broadcast. She is outside the Delhi Mayor office at this point in time. Tanushka, any sort of response that you've been able to get from the Delhi Mayor? We do understand that now action is being taken, an inquiry also has been ordered, but what more are you learning of?
Right, Kitty, I'm currently outside Delhi Mayor Shelly Oberoi's residence right now, and NDTV has been trying to reach out to the Mayor Shelly Oberoi repeatedly, and we haven't been able to base contact with her, and she's not been available to the channel. We've also reached out at the Civic Center where she was earlier in the day. However, even there NDTV was not allowed to meet with the mayor. So currently I am outside her house, and what we know in this case is that the coaching center building did not have the NOC, did not have the permissions or the approval to have a library running in the basement. In the basement, it's in the lower side of the basement, that is the second floor of the basement, this library was functioning, and the NOC by the fire department was only allowing for the basement to have either be used as a storage space or a washroom or even for parking, but definitely certainly not for library where students are expected to be seated and to be studying. So this is a clear violation and an illegal use of this space that this coaching center had been running under. But right now the main question is also this, that why is the mayor, the MCD officials, why are they not being answerable to the media? Why are they not being accountable to the media for this massive mishap? The fact that NOC was given only for to run a storage space in the basement. However, this coaching center still went ahead and illegally violating these rules was functioning and operating a library there. These things should have been checked by the MCD. So now the question definitely becomes directed to the mayor, Shelly Oberoi,
Okay.
that how is it that despite the MCD having given permission for just a storage space in 2024. The NOC was given in July 2024 for this. How is it that still these violations happen? And how is it that, this was an avoidable tragedy where 3 students have lost their lives?
Tanushka,
Yes,
we do
police
understand you've not been
investigation
able to establish contact with the mayor. We hope that she does speak to the media. Of course, she is answerable to the public, and we do understand the Delhi mayor. Today, the statement that has come in from her is that strict action would be taken against those who are responsible for this incident, and also action will be taken against coaching centers across Delhi. Have those directions been issued already?
Right, yeah, that's what the mayor has said in a statement that, has been posted onto her social media platform handle on X, that, action will be taken against the other coaching centers also that have such sort of operations going on, library operations going on in their basements. However, in the magisterial inquiry that the report was sought for after 24 hours, even by Delhi Minister Atishi, nothing further has come in on that. We're still, awaited on the strict action that the MCD, the mayor talks about, as well as what Delhi Minister Atishi talks about. So the only thing that has happened, that has gone forward in this case is the police investigation, wherein 2 arrests have been made of the owner of the coaching center, Abhishek Gupta, as well as the coordinator, Deshpal Singh. These 2 arrests have been made after 3 students lost their lives after the basement was inundated with water, after drainage issues were also discovered.